So after you have checked to make sure that your firearm is empty, visually and physically inspected, you'll then point the firearm in a safe direction and pull the trigger. At this point, grab the back of the slide in the grip with an underhand grip like this. Pull back approximately 1/8 of an inch. Then you'll see right here you have the takedown lever. Grab both sides of the takedown lever and pull down. Once you do this, you'll be able to push the slide of your Glock off of the frame. Go ahead and set the frame aside. Now continue disassembling for cleaning. Go ahead and grab the recoil spring, pull it out, set it to the side. Now you're going to grab the barrel, push the barrel forward a little bit, pick up, and pull it out. So to reassemble the firearm, go ahead and get your slide, place it where the bottom of the slide is facing up. Get your barrel, slide your barrel in, point first, and then it'll drop in. At this point, make sure you push back to allow that barrel to drop all the way in. Get your guide rod and captured spring. You'll see that there's 2 ends to it. You have the small end and a large flat end. Take the small end, it's going to go forward. Large flat end is going to go back. You compress the spring just a little bit and it'll push down. So as you can see, it drops down right there in the front of the locking block. 2 little tracks for rails to go into, and you have the rails up here. Once you make sure you slide it in, you'll slide all the way back, pull it back, and release. It is now locked into place.